Now, on a serious note, I've brought us some good prezzies here. Look.
Like, serious before?
Yeah,
right.
Come on. Ed China wears these.
Does he?
They must be good.
Eye muffs.
They're the
G1
nuts.
ear muffs, 2-in-1 safety lenses as
Yeah,
well.
they're the nuts because you've got your glasses and you've got your ear defenders. See? And a green's your sickly green's your colour as well.
Lamborghini green.
Yeah.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it like that. Let's see if he fit. They won't fit.
Should do. But your face does need plenty of space,
Well,
doesn't it?
let's have a go. Let's have a go. So they deaden the noise and everything, don't they?
Yeah. Good, aren't they?
They fit a treat. Lovely. Absolutely perfect, mate.
Yeah.
They did half work well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bought them from some in Preston.
Country and western.
Yeah.
I love a bit of country and western. You can't beat it, mate. You can't beat it. I tell you what, I'd struggle to hear it with these on, though.
Oh, I can't hear you at all now.
Hey?
Oh, well.
What? Shall I take mine off now?
Yeah.
I'll take mine off now. There's no need to shout, I tell you. Crikey.
Now, they're good, aren't they?
They're terrific, they are, aren't they?
Well, a good idea, aren't they?
Yeah. But all we've got to do is make a lot of noise now, haven't we?
Well, you do, apparently. So measurement said.
Yeah. Just make a load of noise! Yeah. Terrific. Great stuff. Ed China. Lovely.
Yeah.
Right.